All right, everybody, welcome back to Two Guys Build a Biz on YouTube, the best place on YouTube for anything related to starting, growing, or scaling your social media marketing agency or business online. If those topics interest you, make sure that you hit subscribe and don't forget to tap bell notifications so that you're alerted the next time that we post a video just like this one. So in this video, we're going to talk about 3 of the top niches in 2022 for the everyday social media marketing agency or SMMA owner. These are niches that are well positioned for beginners and veterans alike that you can jump into and start closing clients in very quickly. Now, there's a couple criteria that we used to determine these niches. The first is it evergreen? This means, is this a niche that is going to be around for the long term, or is it something that is fly by night that might disappear tomorrow, like the fidget spinner e-commerce trend, right? So we wanted to recommend niches that are going to be around for a very, very long time. The second is there need to be thousands and thousands and thousands of potential businesses so that even if thousands of agency owners go ahead and move into this niche, there's still going to be a huge market for every agency owner to have their share of the space, okay? So we're not talking about super tiny niches, super boutique niches or anything like that. These are broad niches that a lot of people probably already have knowledge or expertise in that they can jump into and have a very low amount of competition should they jump into the niche. All right, and the third piece of criteria that we use to determine these top niches is it has to be a niche that you can service with a simple strategy, okay? So this is not super complex. These are niches that anybody, even a total beginner, can jump into and start driving meaningful results for their clients with a very simple strategy day one. Now, before we jump into these niches, I do want to preface this, and really the reason why we haven't posted a video like this, even though it would probably rank really well on YouTube, is we find it hard to recommend niches for everyone. The reality is the best niche for you is going to be different than the best niche for me. It's going to be different than the best niche from your best friend. It's going to be different from every other business owner, every other agency owner out there. So it's tough for us to say, hey, these are the best niches that everybody should go and work with. But now at this point, we've been running the SMMA blueprint for over 5 years. We've interviewed hundreds, actually over 400 social media marketing agency owners at this point, and we've learned from all those surveys, all those interviews that we've had with agency owners that certain niches are better for beginners and better for everyone than others. So that's where we came up with this list. This is from real actionable advice. This is from talking with other agency owners, not just Derek and I sitting on our high horse talking and pontificating about the best niches. So this is a very solid recommendation for everyone. So without further ado, let's jump into the top niches for 2022. So the first niche on the list is going to be fitness studios, or gyms, whatever you want to call it, personal trainers. Basically, the entire fitness service industry, okay? This means your personal trainers, your gyms, anybody who needs more clients, more people in the door. This is such an amazing niche is because you can run a very simple funnel, like a 7-day free trial, a free consult, whatever it is that you want to do. You can run it very simply on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any other platforms, and you can drive them to a very simple lead cap form that gives them a simple 7-day trial coupon that shoots out to their email with a follow-up sequence attached to it. It's literally the easiest, simplest strategy of all time. And the beauty is that a lot of fitness studio or fitness service industry business owners, they understand the value of social media, and they're willing to pay a professional to do this for them because they want to be spending their time working with their clients. They want to be changing lives, they want to be changing bodies, doing whatever it is that they do, and they don't necessarily want to be spending all of their time on social media managing that for their business. So we have found, this is for our own testimonial, this was one of the first niches that Derek and I worked in was fitness, and we closed a number of clients in this industry fairly easily and fairly quickly upon first starting our agency. And we've seen thousands of students through our programs now repeat those results, being able to work with fitness studios, get some wins, get some clients in the door with a very simple strategy and keep them around for the long term. All right, so the second type of business on our list is going to be the local service business. Now, this is all of your blue collar type. This is all your local services such as, in-home cleaning, plumbing, pest control, right? Anything like this at all. Use your imagination. If they are a local service business, this is what I'm talking about. And the reason why these, again, are a very simple type of organization to run ads for or to work with your SMMA is because you can run a very simple ad strategy just like you can with the fitness industry, okay? So again, you run ads. In this case, it would probably be Google, because if you think about somebody who needs a local service, like I need somebody to come and clean my house every week. I'm looking for in-home house cleaning. The chances of you showing me a Facebook ad, unless I've hit your website and you're retargeting me and finding the one person who happens to be looking for that is fairly unlikely, right? Unless you have a very large awareness campaign with a decent budget. The next best thing is I'm going to be going to Google to search for that, right? So you're going to get people who are raising their hands saying, I'm in market for this. I'm looking for this type of service. And if you can help that client rank at the top of Google with a simple Google ad, run it to a lead cap form or an appointment scheduling funnel, and boom, all of a sudden they are getting clients in the door. Taking advantage of people that are literally going and searching for help in these areas, right? So it's very simple. You set up a very simple Google ad, take it to a 3-step funnel, and start generating leads for your client. Now, lots of people stay away from these industries because they kind of frown upon it. They think that they don't have money to spend. The reality is that oftentimes they do. A lot of local service businesses actually make quite a bit of money. They pay their employees very well, but they oftentimes don't want to be spending a lot of time on the internet working with computers, right? They want to be doing whatever else it is that they do, working with clients, and they will pay very well for experts that understand the tech, understand how to set this stuff up, and can help them generate leads for their business. Highly recommend this niche. All right, so the third niche is going to be health-oriented food. Okay, now this is a little bit different than your fitness industry. Okay, this is going to be your vegan stores. This is going to be any type of vitamin places, supplement organizations. This is going to be meal delivery services. This could be any products in the health space. Okay, and the reason why this is such an awesome niche is it's growing extremely fast. Right? This is what we would consider a blue ocean at this point, okay? Because a lot of consumers, at least here in the United States and throughout other first world countries, they're very quickly moving towards health-oriented food, health-oriented options. And at least where I'm located in Scottsdale, Arizona, it seems like there's a new healthy food location or a new product popping up on every corner in the city at this point, okay? And they all need help. They need marketing. Again, just like these other niches, they opened their health food store or their health food organization because they want to change lives. They want to provide value with that healthy option. And they don't want to spend all their time on social media. So we as business owners, as agency owners, can help them grow the business by, again, running a simple strategy for them. People need to know that they exist. So awareness campaigns, lead cap campaigns, growing their email list, right? Very simple strategies that can provide a ton of value to these types of businesses, differentiate them in the market, and get people to start purchasing, visiting, or signing up for their healthy option that they're providing to the market. So this is a fast growing niche. There's what we call a blue ocean, which means that there's a very low saturation of agency owners working and targeting these types of businesses, which means that it can be a great place to find potentially some low-hanging fruit of clients to work with. All right, everybody, so that's it. Those are the top niches for 2022 and beyond. I hope that you found this useful, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to comment down below what you think are the best niches or what's been best for you so that everybody can learn. And I hope that you will hit the subscribe button, tap bell notifications so that you'll be notified the next time that Derek and I post another video like this. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.